Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript step by step. First, grasp the foundational concepts of web development, including HTML and CSS. Next, set up your coding environment, which typically involves a code editor like VS Code and a web browser. Then, begin by learning the very basic syntax of JavaScript, such as how to declare variables and print output to the console. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth learning journey. Once your environment is ready, dive into core JavaScript concepts. Start by understanding different data types like numbers, strings, and booleans, along with how to declare variables. Next, explore various operators and control flow statements such as if-else conditions and loops. Finally, master functions for reusable code and arrays for managing collections of data. These elements form the backbone of any JavaScript application. After mastering the basics, move on to more advanced topics. Explore objects and object-oriented programming principles, which are essential for structuring larger applications. Then, learn how to interact with web pages using the Document Object Model, or DOM, to dynamically change content and styles. Also, delve into event handling and asynchronous JavaScript, crucial for creating interactive and responsive user interfaces. This expands your web development capabilities significantly. The most effective way to solidify your learning is through consistent practice. Dedicate time daily to solve small coding challenges, reinforcing your understanding of concepts. Next, build several mini-projects, such as a calculator or a to-do list, to apply your knowledge practically. Finally, stay updated by continuously exploring new JavaScript features and popular frameworks. This hands-on approach ensures you become a proficient JavaScript developer over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.